when you are not doing anything and are comfortable with it, your brain undergoes a tremendous transformation. That is why all cultures have insisted on being in such a state, a non-doing state. In Denmark, they have given a beautiful name to such a state. It is called Niksen. Niksen is simple, probably the simplest thing you will ever come across. And that is why it is radical. In Niksen, you do not do anything, you remain purposeless. It is not mindfulness, because there you focus. It is not even meditation, because there you have techniques. In Niksen, you let go of all the activities, all the techniques, methods, focusing, and just be. If you are looking at the clouds, just look at them. They are of different shades and shapes, different colors. Open sky is there. Occasional birds are flying through. Creation is happening every moment. You are absorbing it, receiving it by simply being available to it. This is not an absent-minded state. It is not a doing state. We are accustomed to these two kinds of states. But Niksen is something in between state. It is like if you are sitting on a porch, relishing the sunshine, then just relish it. Different intensity of heat is coming every moment. The intensity is also changing every moment. Every moment a distinct creation is happening. And you are not trying to get it. You are just available to receive that gift of creation. And creation is filling you up to the full. When you try to do things, it is like trying to plunder nature. And then you get petty things of nature. For you, it may be of too much value. But looking at it from the nature's viewpoint, it is all petty. If you can remain in non-doing state, just for few minutes every day, then you will see what is being talked about. So if you want to try Niksen, first of all, try small. Take baby steps. You need not have to try it with 20-30 minutes to begin with. Initially, when you complete a task, before you take another task, give yourself a pause, a break. Or sometimes keep a phone in another room for half an hour, 1 hour. Or if you are waiting for somebody to arrive, just wait. Do not be distracted by pulling out your phone. Just sit, look, breathe. Breathing happens. is always happening, but now you are aware of it without trying to be aware of it. Initially, there would be some discomfort when you try to sit in Niksen. That discomfort is the discomfort of being with your own being. There is a lot of dirt, conditionings lying in your subconscious brain. They are propelling you to do actions in this world. When you do not do anything, those conditionings will come to the fore. Just bear them. If you are comfortable with your discomfort, that is no longer a discomfort. Before you realize God, Atma, or anything, first you will have to realize your discomfort. In this world which is constantly shouting at you to do more, to be more, to buy more, doing nothing is your quiet rebellion. A rebellion without doing anything. A gentle yet forceful rebellion. Without trying to change the society externally, you are changing yourself internally. You are declaring to the world that I am not a robot, I am not a machine. You cannot value myself by the output that I produce. And I am not going to rest as a reward for hard work. And my rest is also not to enable more hard work. Rest simply is a prerequisite for me for the whole life. Life is not a problem to be solved. Life simply is. That is why you get your best ideas when you are in that easiness state. When you are just taking a shower or walking alone, not trying to do things or gather information, that is when you are in your best state. I hope these talks are giving you enough space to be in your best state so that you get these genius ideas of remaining and being in your non-doing Niksen state.